A FlexRule application can communicate with end users by using any of the types of logic that we have defined so far. At some stage, you will need to pass values and objects to a defined model, or what we call a logic document. This is when parameters must be considered. Parameters are the gateways used to communicate business logic to your application. This communication enables your application to pass any type of information to the business logic or retrieve outputs from that logic. There is no limit to the number of parameters and types of values that you can pass to and retrieve back from the business logic. In FlexRule, there are two types of parameters: variable parameters, which are a placeholder for values, and type parameters. Variable parameters can define four directions for communication. Firstly, input parameters allow your application to send some input and permit the logic to process this information. Secondly, after this process is finished, your application can collect the result from output parameters. Thirdly, what are called in-out parameters, which occur when one parameter must act as both an input and an output. Fourthly, in some scenarios, processing requires some private or local parameters to store the result into those slots temporarily and then collect them some other time. The parameters that are not part of your logic decisions are called local parameters. Unlike variable parameters, type parameters allow you to reference existing business logic types and extend these to create an instance of an object from a specific type. When parameters are passed into a logic type, then your logic can access and manipulate these values using expressions.